Good morning KG2. Today we're going to be studying in Science Unit 6, Making Sounds. The lesson will talk about what are some sounds around us, where we live, okay? The objectives of this lesson is to identify sources of sound. The keywords you're going to be listening to a lot in the lesson is sounds, source, voice, loud and soft. Another thing I'd like to request, if you get a sheet of paper and write the keywords on the piece of paper. Okay, KG2? The words sounds, source, voice, loud and soft. Write them so you can practice them as well. Very good. Read the rhyme about sounds. Listen carefully. Raj hears with his ears, waves splashing and children laughing. Aisha hears with her ears, leaves rustling and birds chirping. What do you hear with your ears? Do you hear mom talking and dad snoring? Do you know what snoring means? Do you know snoring? When you go to sleep and you make this sound. That is snoring.
What is a source of sound? Many things around us make sounds, like human, animals and non-living things make sounds. A thing makes a sound is a source of sound. Now let's read these three words with me. Are you ready? Sound, sound, sound. Well done. Hear, hear, hear. Ear, ear, ear. Excellent. Now here in this picture we have three columns: humans, animals and non-living things. Now let me tell you about humans, that humans can make sounds. They are also source of sound and they can make different sounds. Like the boy in this picture is making very loud sound and he is shouting. The girl in this picture is making very soft sound. Now do you like the soft sound or the loud sound? I like the soft sound. Now the baby in the picture is crying very loud. Maybe he is hungry, he wants to drink milk and he is crying very loudly. Now the last picture in this column is the girl whispering in a boy's ear. What sound she is making? Loud or soft? Yes, she is making very soft sound. Now let's check about the animals, what sounds they make. Bird. Bird is chirping and bird is making very soft sound. The owl hoots. The bee buzz. The snake hiss. Cat meow and the cow moo. These are the animals making sounds and they are the source of sounds. Now let's check some non-living things can also make sound. Like you can see on the top of this column, water dripping. The water is making sound drip, drip, drip. And the horn is making very loud sound. Now check the radio here. It's pink in color and you can listen to the Quran on the radio. And the radio is making loud and soft both sounds because you have the volume and you can make it loud and soft. Now look at the clock. What color is the clock? Yes, red. And what sound clock makes? Tick, 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 tick. Yeah. And the bell rings very loud. Ding, 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 ding. Now you can see your phone. You can check your mommy's phone. What sound it makes? Yeah, tring, 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 tring. And there is ambulance. It's making very loud sound. So these are the things and the sources of sounds. Okay, KG2, do you remember our previous lesson was about sounds in schools? We learned about kids making sounds in class, sounds in canteens, and sounds in the park. Now, today our lesson is about animal sounds and you will learn many sounds what animals can make. Are you ready? There you go. A duck makes a quack sound.
Quack, quack, quack.
What sound duck makes? Quack. Yes, well done. Now, what color is the duck? Yellow. And you know, the duck can swim in the water and the duck can walk on the land and duck can also fly. A bird makes a tweet sound.
Tweet, tweet, tweet.
Let's say again, tweet. Who can make the tweet sound? Bird. And bird begins with which letter? Bird. Tweet. And bird can fly. Let's fly like a bird. Fly, 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 high up in the sky. Very good. A rooster makes a cock-a-doodle-doo sound. Let's repeat after me. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo. One more time. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Who makes this sound? Rooster. Rooster begins with which letter? R, 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 rooster. The owl makes a hoot sound.
Owl, owl, owl. Hoot, hoot, hoot.
Yes, well done. Let's say again. The owl makes a hoot sound. And you know, owl can also fly in the sky. And this owl is sitting on a tree. A frog makes a ribbit sound.
Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.
Let's try again. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Now what color is the frog? Is it blue? No. Is it red? No. Yes, it's green. And you know, frog can fly or frog can hop. Yes, the frog can hop. Very good, excellent. Snake makes a hiss sound. Hiss, hiss, hiss. Snake begins with which letter? Yes, snake. What color is this snake? Green. A mouse makes a squeak sound.
Squeak, squeak, squeak.
And squeak begins with which letter? Squeak. And mouse begins with which letter? Mouse. Yes, excellent. Well done. A chicken can make a cluck sound.
Cluck, cluck, cluck.
Let's say again. A chicken makes a cluck sound. What color is the chicken? Brown. And the chicken can make cluck sound. Well done. A bee makes a buzz sound.
Buzz. Buzz. Buzz.
What color is the bee? Black and yellow. And you know, what can we get from a bee? Bee makes honey for us, and honey is really very healthy and you should eat it, and it's a gift from Allah. And B begins with which letter? You know, B and buzz both begins with same letter. B, B and buzz. A cat makes meow sound.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Meow. Who makes meow sound? Yes, cat. And you know, all the animals are living things. Cat is also a living thing. How many legs does a cat have? 1, 2, 3, 4. And cat begins with which letter? K, 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 cat. A dog makes a woof sound. Woof, 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 woof. One more time. Woof, woof, woof. Woof begins with which letter? Woof, woof, woof. Yes. And dog begins with which letter? The dog. The g dog. And dog likes to eat bone. A sheep makes ba sound. Ba, ba, ba. What color is sheep? White. And sheep makes ba sound. Ba begins with? Yes, letter B. B, ba. A goat makes a bleat sound.
Bleat. Bleat. Bleat.
Yes, a goat makes a bleat sound. And you know, the goat gives us milk and meat. Milk is very, very healthy for us. You should always drink 2 glasses of milk, 1 glass in the morning and 1 glass before you go to bed. And tell your mommy that you will always drink milks. And milk makes your teeth and bones very strong and healthy. Moo. Who says moo? Moo moo. Yes, a cow says moo moo. A cow makes a moo sound. Moo begins with m, o, moo, and cow begins with k, k, cow. A horse makes a neigh sound.
Neigh. Neigh. Neigh.
Horse begins with which letter? H, 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 horse. And you know, the horse can run very fast. And the neigh sound begins with letter n, n, n. Well done. A lion makes a roar sound. Now look at this lion. He is so happy and he is the king of the jungle and he roars. Can you roar like a lion? Now let's try this. Step 1, take a walk around different places. Step 2, listen to the sounds there. Step 3, name the sources of these sounds. Now in this picture, it's a farm here. You can see many goats and many chickens on the farm. The chickens are clucking, the goats are bleating. Let's say again, the chickens are clucking, the goats are bleating. Okay KG2, hope you enjoyed the lesson and learned all the sounds I taught you. What was the lesson about? Animal sounds. Yes. Now what I want you to do, go get your science people's book, open page number 125 and let's do this exercise. The question is, what sounds does each animal make? Use the helping words. Let's read the helping words together. Quack, moo, squeak, buzz, roar, tweet. Now let's see who will do this exercise really correct and nice, and let's see who can read the names of these animals. Let's try again. A is bee, bird, duck, cow, lion, mouse.